Hey, and welcome back to Days Well Spent. In today's video, we're doing a little bit of hive maintenance. It is the middle of June, and we're back at the hive that we created out of that swarm we captured. We're going to begin just getting the weeds that have popped up around the hive.
So we just put some bark mulch around here, help with the weeds. There we go. Looks good. We'll open the hive up, see what we got in here, see what's going on. Alright, they still have not filled everything out yet. Good, they're green, yeah. All right, well, they haven't grown any since we last opened the hive. We still got 4 frames that are completely empty that they haven't even started working on. They're just not growing that fast. Maybe it's something to do with, you know, a wild caught swarm, I don't know.
So now we're over at our regular hive. This is the hive that we built from a nook a couple of years ago. You saw us put some food in the other hive. This hive we do not feed at all.
Whoa. They've drawn out a lot. You're right in front of the camera, you know that, right?
That's fine. To be able to have the smoker when you need
Whoa,
it.
look at this.
Wonderful.
Look at that.
Yum.
So they have drawn comb out on this in 3 weeks. We actually had nothing here 3 weeks ago. Oh, this thing, that one's coming apart.
Wow.
Yep.
These guys are hard at work.
Yeah, they're doing good. We're going to go ahead and inspect all the frames, see where we're at, because we may need to add another super now. Honey super already. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh, that's heavy. They're starting to cap that one off. Get a picture of that. Wow, look at that. They're starting to cap it. That is wonderful.
But it's not full.
It's full of honey. Look at that. Wow, look at that. Ha ha. Well, that's when they've drawn out 80%. They have. There ain't no doubt about that. Look at this. And you should feel these things. These things are...
I thought they had to fill it and cap it.
Ooh. That is beautiful. And these are heavy too. Wonderful. Got a little thin on that side. That looks pretty good though.
Mm-hmm.
I've drawn that one out pretty good. Still working on it. It's drawn out a little bit.
Yeah, it looks like they've drawn out on all of them.
Yeah.
They just haven't really done much filling.
Not on this side of the outside. They're working it though.
Yeah, they are. They're getting there.
All right. Go. They've drawn the comb out on, I'd say, almost 90% of the honey super. They haven't filled it with honey yet, but the comb is there. Probably half of it is already filled with honey. It's not capped off yet completely, but they're working on that. So we went ahead and added another honey super so they can start working on drawing comb out on that one as well.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give us a thumbs up. And if you're looking for more urban homesteading ideas and urban beekeeping, visit us at dayswellspent.com.